Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some nails. And yeah, let's just get on into the video. Alright, so first of all, I would like to say that I guess I am a professional, but kind of like riding a bike, if you don't do it for a long time, you forget. And I don't know what's wrong with my voice, so ignore that. I just got off of work and we do a lot of yelling, and that's what's going on. But anyway, so here I'm just cleaning up the nail bed, and I'm using a fine, what is it called? A file, and it's an e-file, and I'm just slightly like etching off any shininess from her nails, and then applying the tips. And I'm not going to explain too much. If you guys do want a full video on like how to clean up the nail bed and prep it for nails, let me know. That is something I can do for you guys if you're even interested. I'm pretty sure most of you guys are just here to watch a satisfying video, so let's continue. So here I'm going in with a cool little like a brush type of thing on my e-file, and it just gets really nicely into the grooves and stuff where you have any powder acrylic, and it just cleans it out nicely. Alright, so here we go with the nail application. Again, like I said, like riding a bike if you haven't done it for a while. If you guys watch my video, you know that I do a lot of eyelashes, and that's like my main job. But I do love nails. Like I love nails, and let me know if you guys actually want to see more videos on it. If you want to see more videos on lashes, like what do you guys want to see? I'm struggling because I do have 2 full-time jobs right now, and I still am able to put up videos, so go me. I am going to be doing like a whole I don't know, I'm fixing up my YouTube room, so let me know if that's a video that you guys want to see. Again, I just want to know what you want to see. More makeup videos, let me know, okay, in the comments down below. One thing I do want to mention is maybe there will not ever be any more story times on Baby Mama Drama. I think we've done 1, 2, and 3, and I do have like a juicy number 4, but a lot of you guys are a little bothered by it, and I don't want to be that channel. I don't want to be the channel to piss you off. I want to put you in a happy mood, but I do plan on doing like reaction videos, so let me know if that's something you want to do. Help me out, guys. I would really appreciate it if you just took the time to write in the comments something that you actually want to see from me. So I guess what I was really trying to say is my application is not perfect in this video. It's actually very bad, and I don't know, it just didn't end out the way that I wanted. I wish I would have done so much better, like too much acrylic, just a lot of wrong things. So don't judge me. If you're a nail tech, don't sit in my comments writing a bunch of stuff, because I'll cry. But yeah, so I guess I'll just shut up now and let you guys continue the video, and I'll pop back on if I need to explain myself. So enjoy.
Treetops of this world, a balance, feeling free. I'm a part of this place above. can finally see. I'm feeling like love tonight. There's no stopping what I feel inside. Throw your cares away. 'Cause baby, I am here to stay. I'm feeling like love tonight. There's no stopping what I feel inside. Throw your cares away. 'Cause baby, I am here to stay.
Okay, oh my gosh, this color, huh? So if you are a nail tech and you want to know the shade of this acrylic powder, or if you're somebody that you're like, hey, I need this nail color in my life, go to a salon and ask for, well, if they have Valentino? I think it's called Valentino. And it is the 80s collection, and it's the more red, dark pink. And there's like a babier pink in it, so I'm pretty sure it's like a hot orange. I don't even know what color it is. It's just gorgeous. It's amazing. And then the other shade, I'm not sure. It's a nude with glitter in it. You probably can't see the glitter from the video, but that's what it is. Also, like I said, I do work a lot and I'm still able to upload videos. So if you do YouTube, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear your excuses. But give my video a thumbs up for me. I just worked 10 hours, but before that I had one eyelash client that took 2 hours. So officially I started at 7 in the morning. Right now I'm editing, it's 9:30 p.m. I mean, I deserve a like, please. But anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys continue to watch this until we get to the beautiful butterflies. I feel like I have not been on YouTube and I just want to catch you guys up. Maybe you don't want to hear music and you want to hear me talk. Let me know if you don't like me talking. I won't talk through these again. But if you want to know where I work at a cheese plant. I know, guess so, cheese, like, but yeah, so the 10 hours, guys, it's hard labor. My hands hurt. I think I'm going to ruin my hands. My legs hurt. My shoulders, my back, my neck. I mean, oh, Jesus. It's a really tough job. So on top of just being tired of going in somewhere for 10 hours, man, it is pure labor. But hey, I can't argue right now with everything going on in the world. I'd rather have this. It's a really nice paying job, so it's not that bad. I mean, I'm getting used to it. My hands are hurting. If you guys have any ideas for like hand pain, I don't know, let me know.
Silence calls to me from the treetops of this world. A balance, feeling free. I'm a part of this place so full. And I know it cannot last, but at last I can finally breathe. And I know it cannot last, but at last I can finally see. Floating away with you in the backseat of my car. We're timeless, sailing through, but tonight, no, we can't go far. And I know it cannot last, but at last I can finally breathe. And I know it cannot last, but at last I can finally see.
Silence calls to me from the treetops of this world. A balance, feeling free. I'm a part of this place of love.
And I know it cannot last, but at last I can finally breathe. And I know it cannot last, but at last I can finally see.
Alright, so here they are. They're super, super beautiful. Like, I just love the color. Even though it's not my best application, I think she still looks really good. We're about to apply some butterflies. We're just thinking about how to do it. And then also, I didn't know how to do these, but apparently you just cut it out and you pop it into some water, and then it just like slides off like a clear little sticker. And then I was kind of worried that the decal was gonna be too thick or not bend and not wrap around the nail, but it just sticks right on like a contact. So I love it. I love these. So I placed 2 on one nail and then 1 by itself. Yeah, I really love how they turned out. However, I do wish the butterflies were like a little bit bigger, but I love it. It turned out really cute. So if you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my channel, watch my video, and I hope you stick around and watch more videos, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.
Floating away with you in the backseat of my car. We're timeless, sailing through, but tonight, no, we can't go far. And I know it cannot last, but at last I can finally breathe. And I know it cannot last, but at last I can finally see.